Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. Today I'm going to share with you the best deals I got over at H-E-B, as well as a few awesome deals over at Whole Foods. I was able to get all of these items, which is over $80 worth of products, for just over $4. So of course I will tell you exactly how I did that. I will break it down super simple. That way you can do these deals if you want to as well. I will also include pictures of additional H-E-B deals at the end of the video. There are things that I didn't need for my family, but you might need or want, and I thought they were pretty good deals. As well as items that I saw on clearance while I was in the store. I will include pictures of those at the end of the video. I grabbed 3 items completely free and actually made money over at Whole Foods this week. Let me tell you about those. The first item is this Harmless Harvest yogurt. I just posted about it on my Instagram page. If you want to check that out, it's Save with Christina. But this 24-ounce vanilla Harmless Harvest yogurt is priced at $7.99. Right now, Ibotta has a free after rebate offer, giving you $7.99 back, making this item completely free. If you're new to Ibotta, not using it yet, you can earn an additional $10 when you join using my referral code. Of course, it is free to join, and they have so many awesome deals. While you're in Whole Foods, don't forget to sneak over to the milk section and grab the Milkademia milk. I love this milk as creamer in my coffee. I grabbed one of the unsweetened and then one of the unsweetened vanilla. They're both $5.99 regular price, but the Shopkick app is currently giving back 1,800 kicks, which is equivalent to $7.20. That means each of these becomes completely free and $1.21 moneymaker. Now, if you're not using Shopkick, grab it using my referral code because you're gonna get an additional $5 back when you scan that receipt. And then I cash out on Shopkick to gift cards, and I use those gift cards to pay for my groceries that I buy at Walmart, but there's lots of different gift card options on the Shopkick app. Okay, that was it for Whole Foods. I just grabbed 3 items. Now, let me tell you about the deals over at H-E-B. I'm going to try to start with what I think are the more simple deals, and then I'll get to the ones that use the rebate apps. Now, this vegetable broth and either the organic unsalted chicken broth or organic turkey broth, there is a deal for a buy one, and it can be vegetable broth, beef broth, chicken broth. But the one you get free is the organic unsalted chicken or the organic turkey broth. So I bought this one at $1.78, and I got this one at $1.98 completely free. So that made my total cost for both of them just 89 cents a piece. And then I also grabbed some of the juice. Right now there is $1 off a bunch of different juice blends that H-E-B has. This one is priced at $2.39, so that $1 digital makes it just $1.39. There's also a great deal on Kraft shredded cheese this week. Normally these are around $2.48, but there's a digital coupon making these 2 for $5. And then the Ibotta app is giving 50 cents back on each of these. So when you buy 2, your total cost is $4 or just $2 a bag. Another easy Ibotta offer, and this one was super fun. Okay, so I bought these Wholesome brownie mixes. They're priced at $4.98. There is a $2 digital coupon, and it's unlimited, which means you can buy as many of these as you want. You're gonna get $2 off each time. So that brings the cost down to $2.98. Now, Ibotta has an offer for $3 back on these, making them completely free, and you can do that a limit of 3 times. So I got 3 boxes of the brownie mix completely free. The last food deal that I want to tell you about is on this Beyond Beef. This is priced at $6.99, and I had 2 different apps that had offers on this. My Ibotta app had $5 back when you purchase it, so that made it just $1.99. But my Fetch Rewards app also had an offer for $5 back, so that made this completely free and a $3.01 moneymaker. As you can tell, it's frozen. I found this in the frozen section at my store. So check that out if that's a product that you think you would use. Great deal. Now, there are additional food deals at the end of the video that aren't here, but I do show you the matchups. That way you can see what some of the best deals going on this week are. I just wasn't going to buy everything. Here is a fantastic deal using your Ibotta app. So this Suave Shampoo, this one specifically, the Juicy Green Apple. These at my store were priced at 94 cents. I know other people's stores have seen them even cheaper, like 88 cents. But there's currently an Ibotta offer giving $2 back on this product, and you can do that 3 times. So last night I grabbed 3 of these at 94 cents. I got $2 back each on Ibotta, making it a $3.18 moneymaker. Now, Ibotta can change their offers at any time, so double check your app. Make sure you scan the barcode, and it will tell you in the app if the product qualifies for the rebate. While you're there, there's also a great deal on Swab body wash. So these are priced at $1.88 each. There is a 75-cent off digital coupon, which is unlimited. So that means if you buy 3, that 75 cents is going to come off 3 times. Now, my Fetch Reward app had $1 back on each of these. So that made my total cost for each of these just 13 cents. Now, Fetch Rewards, if you're not using it already, grab it using my referral code. This offer was a limit of 5 on Fetch. I had just already used 2 of my rebates, so that's why you only see 3 of them here. Now, another Ibotta offer is on these little packs of Band-Aids. I found these over in the trial and travel section. These are priced at 97 cents each, and there was a $1 Ibotta rebate attaching to this, making it free and a 3-cent moneymaker, and the limit was 3, so I grabbed 3 of these. And then I also got the Breathe Right strips. My store carries these small packages priced at $3.69. Look in your HEB app. There should be a $1.75 digital coupon. So after that coupon, that makes these just $1.94. Now in my app, I noticed I had a couple different coupons for toothpaste. I had one that was $2 off a Crest toothpaste, and then one that was $1 off any $1 or more toothpaste purchase. Now they both attached. So this is priced at $2.97. The $2 off coupon came off, as well as the $1 off a $1 purchase. So that made this completely free and a 3-cent moneymaker. The last item that I grabbed, I think, is on these Arm & Hammer 5-in-1 laundry packs. Now this is a Swag Bucks deal. So if you're not using Swag Bucks, I do have a full tutorial on how that program works, and I will link that down in the video description box below. Now, you want to grab 2 of these at $5.20 each. That's $10.40 total cost. But Swag Bucks is giving back $6 when you buy 2 of them. So that makes it $4.40 for both of them, or just $2.20 a bag. Awesome price. I think that was everything. So when I add everything up, that's over $80 worth of products, and it came out to just $4.11, which is fantastic. Ibotta also has a ton of bonuses right now that I am tracking toward. So like this morning, I got a $5 weekend warrior bonus when I redeem a certain number of Ibotta offers. So hopefully I will hit that and get an additional $5 back from Ibotta as well. If you have questions, please let me know down in the comment section below. I know there are not a lot of HEB videos out on YouTube, so if you know of anyone who might be interested, please share this video with them. I will continue to do HEB videos as long as I see there is interest in them. Stay tuned to the end where you'll see additional deals as well as clearance items that I saw when I was in the store. Thanks.